So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert photos into a board here on the freeform application. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done, either select a new board or create a new board or select a previous board that you've created. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Untitled 5 for this demonstration. Now if you want to insert photos into a board, it's super simple. Go to the bottom right to where there's that picture icon, press on that. You can either insert from your files, links, scans, stickers, camera, photos, or videos. For this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and press on photos or videos. And as you can tell right here, I just took a bunch of random screenshots of a black screen right here. So let's go ahead and press on this one right here and then press on add in the top right. And there you go. There's the photo that I've added, so you can make it larger or smaller. You can move it around, whatever the case may be. But now your photo is inserted into your board here on Freeform. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert photos here on Freeform. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.